I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot.
Alright, gonna do a quick video today. About 4 months ago, 4 or longer months ago, I was driving in Colonial Heights. They were doing that road construction. So Colonial Heights, Virginia, when they were doing all that road construction down by the mall, went over one of those ruts where they had cut the road out and smashed my exhaust pipes on the ground. I was running at my normal driving air height, but when I hit that bump, it bottomed out on the back of the exhaust. So what happened was my active exhaust module cracked on the passenger side of the car. So that cracked, that throws a code which causes the check engine light to come on, which also disengages the remote start. So for this whole time I've been without the remote start. Not a big deal, but I want the car to be 100%, no check engine lights and things like that. So today my part came in from Mopar. Here's the module, $250 in this little box, little bag right there. So it's basically 3 bolts. Got to unplug the top of the sensor, swap it out, and then there's a spring on the back of it that has to be set in a certain position. So we'll knock that out here. I'm going to get ready to race the car up and get to it. Should be easy. Should be easy. Keyword, this is me we're talking about. I just got the plug undone. You can see the damage. It's completely cracked on the bottom side. So now it's unplugged. I'll go ahead and remove it. Okay, I've got the old part out. The entire bottom of the screw, the holder, was cracked off, and the bolt was actually pushed this way. And then you can see on the bottom of it, it actually is cracked open. So that's old, and here is the new. So we got it all cleaned up. Gonna get ready to go ahead and throw it in. It also comes with a new spring too, so that's good. Okay. All right, team. Moment of truth. Alright, crew, so I went through and got my little code reader and hooked it up and had it do an erase on the code. So what I'll do is over the next couple days I'll wait to see if the code comes back up, and I mean, I've replaced the part, but it's just a matter of what it takes to actually reset that piece, or maybe if there's something else broke further up, like whatever. But as of right now, looking at it right now, no codes. No codes at all. Alright. Alright, crew, so I just did a roll around the neighborhood. Did some 0 to 60, some sport mode, not sport mode. Really pushed it to see if I could get the light to come back on, and it's gone. So I replaced the actuator for my active exhaust system, and my check engine light's gone. I had to reset it, but after pushing the engine, it is gone and stayed gone. When it first happened, I reset it just to see if it was a glitch, and within a couple miles of driving, normal driving, it popped back on. So right now it's off. I have fixed my issue. So again, I'll say like I do in a lot of my other videos when I'm trying something on my car, don't be afraid to try something. You know, by changing this myself, I probably saved myself $150 to $200 in labor cost from a shop. If you got a OBD reader, you can plug it in and find out what's wrong with your car and then track it down and fix it. So it's encouraging for me to be able to put my hands on tools and work on my car. Granted, it was a very simple thing, it was a simple swap, but the satisfaction of knowing that I fixed it myself, that builds your confidence. Because then you want to do the next thing and the next thing, and who knows, maybe by next year, spoiler alert, maybe I'll install my own wide body kit. Yeah, I have to buy it and I'll probably send it off to get it painted, but I feel motivated that I could actually install myself. Maybe with a couple friends, come by and help out, because there's areas that I'm not fully an expert in, and no matter how much YouTube you watch, you'll never be an expert in everything. So I'm putting my mind to it right now that next year I will put a wide body kit on my car, and I will probably do most of the work myself or with a couple friends. So stay tuned for that. I know where the kit's at. I know how much it cost. It's just a matter of budgeting to make that happen. So who knows? We'll see. But don't be afraid to try new stuff.